Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the case may be. This is Marty Grunder from Grunder Landscaping Company and the Grow Group. Want to talk trucks again today. Something a lot of us get excited about. This is one of our standard landscape trucks. This is an Isuzu cab over with an EB I-Pack and an EB all aluminum bed and a Teeman lift. Can't say enough great things about the EB beds, folks. They're durable, they're aluminum. We can put a salt spreader in them. It won't rust the salt, won't rust the bed out. It's just a great truck, all-around truck. The visibility, the turning radius on the truck is fantastic. Again, setting your trucks up for success is an important part of a successful business. This is our standard truck. You can note the lift gate on the side of the truck that makes things easier, the fold-down sides that come out, the wheel barrels that are up on top, and then, again, another I-Pack that has all of their tools that they needed. And our trucks have blowers and weed eaters. Be honest with you, that's not as clean as Marty likes it, so that guy's going to be talked to. I can promise you that, because we don't put all this money in a truck to have it look like that. But that's a wart. You see it. Trucks are an important part of your success. I think we don't think through them enough. You don't see any chrome wheels. You're not going to see fancy on the inside. We buy the trucks at the level that we think is most effective for us and makes the most sense from a financial perspective, and then we put the trucks to work, so that that team leader in the morning and at night, they're not thinking about all the details and things that they need. It's already on their truck. They're thinking about, you know what? I got to pour a little concrete this morning. I got to be ready for that. We've got trees coming at 2 o'clock. I have to make sure I've gone far enough for that. I'm a little behind on my hours. I have to get caught up. We want them thinking from the neck up, not worrying about a lot of stuff that is it on my truck or isn't it. Have it be there. It's a drip in your company you should take a look at. Have a great day.